Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and it's been a rainy evening and a kind of a rainy morning here in Dr. A's garden. But I want to show you a couple of really cool plants. Well, one in particular, and it's this Monarda. Monarda is called bee balm or Oswego tea, and it really is a fabulous plant. But it's prone to kind of going crazy in the garden and also to mildew. But here's a new one called Be Mine Lavender. Bee as in B-E-E, mine, M-I-N-E, lavender. And I just love this thing, not only because it's flowering like crazy, it has that wonderful Monarda fragrance, but there's not a bit of disease on this thing. I love it, and I hope it's going to be as good in the next few years as well. All right, have a good time. Go garden.